Hi guys, we're going to make my slow cooker white bean and chicken chili. I gave my slow cooker just a light spray of cooking spray, and I'm going to place 2 pounds, this is actually a little bit over 2 pounds, of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You could do a little bit under if you wanted to, and you could also use thighs, chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or you could do a combo of the both meats. In this bowl I've got several spices, and I'm going to mix them up, and then I'm going to put them on top of the chicken. So there's 1 tablespoon plus a half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1.5 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of onion powder. I'm going to mix it up together. I'm just going to put this all over the top of it. So next I'm going to add 3 15.5 ounce cans of cannelli beans. It doesn't have to be the exact size. You can also use 2 cans instead of 3 if you wanted. And I'm going to put this on top of the spices. I've rinsed and drained them. And you could also use white kidney beans or Great Northern beans if you wanted to in place of it. On top of that, I'm going to put 12 ounces of fire roasted green chilies that have been diced or pre-diced, and I am just going to put the juice in there along with it. 2 minced garlic cloves on top. And that was 5 cups of low sodium chicken broth that I've added on top now. We're going to go ahead and cover this, cook it on low for 7 to 8 hours. We want the chicken to be tender and cooked all the way, or you could cook it on high for 5 to 6 hours. Now that it's all done, I've taken 1 cup of the beans from the soup and I'm going to mash them up with a potato masher. And I'm going to pour this back into the soup. I removed the chicken and I let it cool slightly, and I'm cutting it in large bite-sized pieces, or you could shred it if you wanted to. So I've added the chicken back in, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dish this out and serve it. I served it up with a dollop of sour cream, some jalapeno slices, some cilantro, and some jack cheese. You could also put some lime on the side or avocado slices in it if you wished. So there is my slow cooker white bean and chicken chili, and I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.